As the global head of education for GHD, I am so excited to be launching a brand new category for the brand. GHD Duet Style is going to completely change the way our professionals and consumers style their hair.
Duet Style is a revolution in wet to dry styling. It's a hairdryer and styler in one.
The combination of both the plates and the heat of the air gives you that even, consistent, smooth hair when drying. When styling your hair with GHD Duet Style, we recommend starting on towel-dried hair and holding Duet Style at the roots for up to 3 seconds. This will ensure that your roots are dry as they tend to be thicker. Next, glide down the hair with a consistent and even pace. This will smooth your hair whilst drying it at the same time. When you turn on the Shine Shot button with GHD Duet Style, you are then turning your Duet Style into a styler working at the optimum temperature of 185 degrees Celsius, which is perfect styling temperature on dry hair to create a multitude of styles.
When using Duet Style, it keeps the moisture in your hair and makes your hair so soft and sleek that you won't be able to stop touching it.
Duet Styler creates envy-worthy softness.
It is so important for us as professional stylists to be conscious of the energy that we use in creating the hairstyles on our clients.
It's such an easy tool to use to have silky, soft, healthy hair.
To me, as a colorist, clients are changing their hair colors more than ever. So to have a heated tool that is zero damage is a complete game changer for those color clients.
Duet Style will revolutionize how my clients style their hair.
The GHD Duet Style has a lower sound frequency, meaning when I use it in salon, I can continue my conversations with client without being disturbed with the noise.
It's just wow.